Welcome to a journey through the Northern Lights, a spectacular display of astronomy. In this video, we will explore the science behind this breathtaking natural phenomenon and discover the myths and legends that surround it. Aerial shots of the Northern Lights, with the camera panning across the sky to capture the full spectrum of colors. The Northern Lights, also known as Aurora Borealis, are a natural light display that occurs in the polar regions. They are caused by particles from the sun colliding with the Earth's magnetic field and atmosphere. Animation showing the collision of solar particles with the Earth's magnetic field and the resulting emission of light. The Northern Lights are a beautiful and awe-inspiring sight, but they are also a reminder of the power and complexity of our planet's magnetic field and atmosphere. Close-up shots of the Northern Lights highlighting the intricate patterns and colors. In this video, we will explore the science behind the Northern Lights and discover the myths and legends that have been inspired by this natural wonder. The Northern Lights are a result of the interaction between the Earth's magnetic field and the solar wind, a stream of charged particles that flows from the sun. Animation showing the solar wind flowing towards the Earth, and the Earth's magnetic field deflecting the particles towards the poles. When the charged particles from the solar wind collide with the Earth's magnetic field, they are accelerated towards the poles, where they collide with atoms and molecules in the Earth's atmosphere. Animation showing the collision of charged particles with atoms and molecules in the Earth's atmosphere, and the resulting emission of light. The emission of light is caused by the excitation of atoms and molecules in the Earth's atmosphere. When the charged particles collide with these atoms and molecules, they transfer energy to them, causing them to become excited. Animation showing the excitation of atoms and molecules in the Earth's atmosphere, and the resulting emission of light. The excited atoms and molecules then release this energy in the form of light, creating the beautiful and colorful display that we know as the Northern Lights. Close-up shots of the Northern Lights highlighting the different colors and patterns. The colors of the Northern Lights are determined by the type of atom or molecule that is being excited and the altitude at which the collision occurs. Animation showing the different colors of the Northern Lights and the altitude at which the collisions occur. The most common color of the Northern Lights is green, which is caused by the excitation of oxygen atoms at an altitude of around 100 kilometers. Close-up shots of the green Northern Lights highlighting the different shades and patterns. The Northern Lights are a truly remarkable natural phenomenon, and understanding the science behind them only adds to their beauty and wonder. The Northern Lights have been a source of fascination and wonder for people throughout history. Many cultures have developed myths and legends to explain this natural phenomenon. Artistic depictions of the Northern Lights in different cultures, such as the Inuit, Sami, and Norse. In Inuit mythology, the Northern Lights were believed to be the spirits of the dead playing a game of soccer with a walrus skull. Artistic depictions of Inuit mythology, showing the spirits of the dead playing soccer with a walrus skull. In Sami mythology, the Northern Lights were believed to be the souls of the departed, dancing in the sky. Artistic depictions of Sami mythology, showing the souls of the departed dancing in the sky. In Norse mythology, the Northern Lights were believed to be the armor of the Valkyries, the female warriors who chose the bravest warriors to go to Valhalla. Artistic depictions of Norse mythology, showing the Valkyries and their armor in the Northern Lights. These myths and legends reflect the awe and wonder that the Northern Lights have inspired in people throughout history. Close-up shots of the Northern Lights highlighting the different colors and patterns. Today, the Northern Lights continue to captivate and inspire people from all over the world, and they remain a symbol of the beauty and mystery of our planet. Aerial shots of the Northern Lights, with the camera panning across the sky to capture the full spectrum of colors. In the next segment, we will explore the best places to see the Northern Lights and offer tips on how to capture this amazing natural phenomenon on camera. The Northern Lights can be seen in the polar regions, including the Arctic and Antarctic. However, the best places to see the Northern Lights are in the Northern Hemisphere, in countries such as Norway, Sweden, Finland, Iceland, Canada, and Alaska. Aerial shots of the Northern Lights in different locations, including Norway, Sweden, Finland, Iceland, Canada, and Alaska. The best time to see the Northern Lights is during the winter months, when the nights are long and dark. However, the Northern Lights can be seen year-round, as long as the sky is clear and the conditions are right. Time-lapse shots of the Northern Lights in different seasons, showing the changing colors and patterns. To increase your chances of seeing the Northern Lights, it is important to choose a location with clear skies and minimal light pollution. Shots of different locations with clear skies and minimal light pollution, such as remote wilderness areas and national parks. Many tour operators offer Northern Lights tours, which provide transportation to remote locations and expert guides who can help you capture the best views of the Northern Lights. Shots of Northern Lights tours, showing people in warm clothing and carrying cameras and tripods. If you are planning to photograph the Northern Lights, it is important to bring a camera with manual settings and a tripod, as well as warm clothing and hot drinks to keep you comfortable during long periods of waiting. Shots of people setting up cameras and tripods to photograph the northern lights, and shots of people bundled up in warm clothing and drinking hot drinks. The northern lights are a truly magical and unforgettable sight, and with a little planning and preparation, you can experience this amazing natural phenomenon for yourself. We hope you have enjoyed this journey through the northern lights, a spectacular display of astronomy. We have explored the science behind this natural phenomenon and discovered the myths and legends that have been inspired by it. Shots of the northern lights in different locations and seasons, with the camera panning across the sky to capture the full spectrum of colors. We have also offered tips on where to see the northern lights and how to capture this amazing natural phenomenon on camera. Shots of people photographing the northern lights, and shots of the northern lights in different locations and seasons. The northern lights are a reminder of the power and complexity of our planet's magnetic field and atmosphere, and a symbol of the beauty and mystery of our world. Shots of the Earth from space, highlighting the magnetic field and atmosphere. We hope that this video has inspired you to explore the wonders of our planet and to appreciate the beauty and complexity of the natural world. Shots of different natural wonders such as waterfalls, mountains, and forests. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the northern lights, and we hope to see you again soon.